For most trucks with OEM halogen cargo light and third brake light, such as Ford F-150, Ram 1500, Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, GMC Canyon, Toyota Tundra, Nissan Frontier, Nissan Titan, the cargo light and third brake light are the same bulb size, 921 or 912. Actually, 921 and 912 are the same bulb, different cross-reference. The cargo light is clear plastic lens, and third brake light is red lens. So, the same halogen bulb but output lighting color is different. These LT15 LED bulbs has two colors for option, white and red. Usually, the white light is for cargo light. The red light is used to replace third brake light. Some customers feedback, the red light in the red lens is not bright enough. They prefer to use white LED bulbs to replace the third brake light. These LED bulbs are electricity-saving lights. Lower wattage, bigger lumens, higher output lighting efficiency. 6000K clear white color, much brighter than halogen bulbs.